Good morning to everyone. So, in the last class, we are discussing problems in state transition matrix and controllability and observability. So, today we are discussing the introduction of jury stability. So, in this unit, jury stability criterion, it is very, very important. Direct 14 marks essay. So, what is jury stability? What are the advantages over in the Ruth Harwich? So discussing today. So what are the advantages? So unlike Harwich method, there is no need to solve the determinants of higher order. Hence, it is more simple and saves time. So, in the Ruth Harvey stability criterion is construction. It is very lengthy process. In the highest orders is calculating its complex compared to jury stability. So, hence it is more simple and saves times. There is no need for solving. There is no need for solving the characteristic equation to judge the system stability, and the number of roots of the characteristic equation located in right hand side of S plane for unstable systems which cannot be given by Hurwitz method is given by this method. With this method, the critical value of system gain can be known, from which the frequency of sustained oscillations can also be known, and the points of intersecting of root locus with imaginary axis and the range of k values for stability of the system can be determined with this method. With Ruth Harwich method, it is very simple to judge the relative stability of the system. Okay, next, what are the difference between jury stability and bilinear transformation? In the very, very important, the differences between juries and bilinear transformation coupled with Ruth stability. So in the Ruth Harvey stability criterion and the jury stability criterion. So first, in the characteristic equation of a closed loop system in the Z plane as given as, so P of Z is equal to A naught Z power N, A1 Z power N minus 1, A2 Z power N minus 2. సో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో 1 into Z power N minus 1, 2 Z power N minus 2, plus and so on, plus AN minus 1 into Z plus AN, where A naught is greater than 0. సో ఇక్కడ A naught value అనేది greater than 0 ఉండాలి. And the Ruth stability criterion, the characteristic equation of a closed loop system in the W plane are ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చమ్మా, మీ ఇష్టం. సో బి నాట్ జెడ్ పవర్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ బి1 డబ్ల్యూ ఎన్ పవర్ డబ్ల్యూ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ బిఎన్ మైనస్ 1 డబ్ల్యూ ప్లస్ బిఎన్. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఎస్ లో చూసాం, ఎస్ నాట్ ఇంటూ ఏ నాట్ ఇంటూ ఎస్ పవర్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ ఏ1 ఇంటూ ఎస్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ A2 into S power N minus 2 plus and so on AN. Okay, the condition for stability. So in the Ruth Harvey stability, jury stability criterion, so the these four conditions is very, very important. First condition is modulus of AN is less than A naught. Modulus AN is less than A naught. And P of Z at Z is equal to 1 is greater than 0. and P of z is equal to -1, it's greater than 0 for n even number, less than 0 for n odd number. So in the depending on the order of the system, so greater than z is equal to -1, it's the greater than 0 for an even number, less than 0 for an odd number. In the fourth condition, modulus of bn minus 1 is greater than b naught, cn minus 2 is greater than c naught, q2 is greater than q naught. Okay, so four conditions: modulus of an is less than a naught, modulus of p of z is equal to 1 for greater than 0, p of z for z is equal to -1, greater than 0 for any even or odd అయితే less than 0, and b of n minus 1 is greater than b naught, c of n minus 2 is greater than c naught, q2 is greater than q naught. Okay, and the Routh-Hurwitz stability criterion, these all are already discussing. So first, all the elements in the first column of Routh table should have the same sign. AT stability calculate cheyalante, so all the elements in the first column should be in the same sign, so either positive or negative. Okay, and the second point, number of sign changes in the first column is equal to the number of roots of the characteristic equation in the right hand side of the S plane. In there are two planes, right hand side of the S plane and the left hand side of the S plane. Number of sign changes in the first column is equal to the number of roots of the characteristic equation in the right half of the S plane. Okay, and if p is equal to 1, sorry, if p equal to 1, p of 1 equal to 0, then there is at least one root of z equal to 1, and the system is critically stable system. Emma, this point is very, very important. If p of 1 is equal to 0, then there is at least one root at z equal to 1, and the system is critically stable system. From origin, which makes the system marginally stable. So ఇది అనుకోండి x-axis and y-axis. So imaginary axis, for example, roots are j1 and the j2. So the given system is marginally stable system. Okay, so the given system is marginally stable system. If p of 1 equal to 0, then there is at least one root at z equal to 1, and the system is critically stable. In the origin, this is origin, in this is the imaginary axis, so j1 and the j2. Okay, so in origin, which makes the system marginally stable. And if in the Routh table, if any one Routh table is 0, then it is indicated that all the roots lies on the imaginary axis equidistant. That a pair of roots lying on the imaginary axis equidistant. And the fourth one, in the Jury stability, if all the roots lying with a unit circle at modulus of z is equal to 1, then the system is stable. This point is very, very important. If all the roots lying within the unit circle, then the system is stable. Ade in the Routh table lo enti, if all the roots lying in the left half of omega plane, then the system is stable system. Okay, these are the differences in the jury stability criterion and the Routh stability criterion, Routh-Hurwitz stability criterion. So 4 differences. The first difference is in the characteristic equation in a closed loop system in the jet plane, as given as jet plane, in the Routh-Hurwitz stability is omega plane. And the 4 conditions in the jury stability. First, a modulus of an is less than a naught. Modulus of p of z at z is equal to 1 is greater than 0. Modulus of p of z at z is equal to -1 greater than 0 for even number. N is even number. P of z is equal to z tends to -1. Less than 0 for an odd number. N means in the given characteristic equation z power, order of the system. And fourth one, modulus of Bn minus 1 is greater than B naught. Cn minus 2 is greater than C naught. And the Q2 is greater than Q naught. And the third one, P of 1 equal to 0. There is at least one root at Z equal to 1. And the system is critically stable system in the origin, which makes the system marginally stable. And the Routh table, if any one Routh table is 0, then it indicates that a pair of roots lying on the imaginary axis. And the last one, all the roots lying on unit circle, stable system in the juries. All the roots lying on the left hand side of the omega plane, then the system is stable system. And the next, explain jury stability test. Okay, so jury stability means for a given characteristic equation, so Routh table ela aithe untado same alanti process. So for a given characteristic equation, P of Z is equal to 0, the jury stability test can be applied by forming a table whose elements are the coefficient of P of Z. Okay, so this is one of the given polynomial equation. P of Z is equal to A naught Z power n plus A1 Z power n minus 1 plus an minus or A2 Z power n minus 2 plus and so on an minus 1 Z power n plus an and so on, where A naught is greater than 0. First check cheyalsindi A naught is greater than 0 or less than 0. Where A naught is greater than 0, the jury stability test constructed using the coefficients so in the given table. So manaki ikkada jury stability criterion table of picture chudandi. This is the row Z naught, A naught, an into Z power 0, an minus 1 into Z power 1, alaga. Clear? And this is the construction. So Z power 1, Z power 2, Z power 3, Z power n minus 2, n minus 1, Z power n. So in the increasing order, okay, A naught, A1, A2, A3, B naught, B1, B2, B3, C naught, C1, C2, C3, and so on, Cn minus 1. Last one, Q2, Q1, Q naught. So this problem చేసేటప్పుడు క్లియర్ గా అర్థం అవుతుందమ్మా, అప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఒక కండిషన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను కదా, 4 కండిషన్స్ ఇప్పుడే మనం చూసాం. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే క్లియర్ గా అర్థమైంది. ఓకే, problem Using jury stability criterion, find the range of K for which the characteristic equation Z cube and K into Z square plus 1.5 K into Z power 1 minus K plus 1 is equal to 0 is closed loop stable. So in the given characteristic equation for closed loop stable system, so in the P of Z is given. This is the one of the characteristic equation. Using jury stability criterion, find whether the range of K. So you are calculating the range of K for this characteristic equation. Okay, so first note down the coefficients. This is A naught into Z power n, A1 into Z power n minus 1, A2 into Z power and A3 ఇలా ఉంటాయి. Okay, so first Z power 3 coefficient is 1, Z square coefficient is K. Emma? So A naught is 1, A1 is K, A2 is 1.5, A3 is minus of K plus 1. A naught, A1, A2 and A3. So ఈ యూనిట్ లో మనకి ఇచ్చే డైరెక్ట్ 14 మార్క్స్ ఎస్ఏ ఇదే. By using jury stability criterion, find whether the range of K. అంతే. Okay, since the system is closed loop stable, it satisfies the jury stability criterion. So first, what are the conditions for jury stability? So ఒక్కసారి conditions చూడండి. First condition, modulus of A3 is less than A0. Okay, next, P of 1 is greater than 0. Okay, third step, P of minus 1 is less than 0 for n is odd number. Emma, n అనేది odd number అయితే P of minus 1 అనేది less than 0 ఉండాలి. అదే n is equal to even means P of minus 1 is greater than 0. ఓకే, n ఎంత ఇచ్చాడమ్మా మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం లో చూడండి. Z power n, n is 3, 3 is odd number, so P of minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, first satisfy 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. If 4 conditions satisfy the jury stability criterion satisfy it. First, modulus of A3 is less than A0. Okay, so what is A3? Modulus of A3 is less than modulus of A0. What is A3? Minus of K plus 1 is less than A0 is 1. So in the modulus, K plus 1 is less than 1. So K is less than 0. First condition, K is less than 0. And the second condition, P of 1 is greater than 0. P of 1 is greater than 0. So P of Z into Z cube plus K into Z square plus 1.5 into Z minus of K plus 1. So second condition, Z is replaced 1. P of 1 cube plus K into 1 square plus 1.5 into 1 minus of K plus 1. Emma? So 1 cube 1 plus K plus 1.5 minus K plus 1 minus K plus K cancel. Emma? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1.5. So 3.5. So in the second condition is not it's satisfied. Minus 1 ID. Sorry, minus 1. So it is 1.5. Is greater than 0. So P of 1 value greater than 0. Naina? So in the second condition is also satisfied. And further go to the third condition. What is third condition? P of minus 1 is less than 0. N is odd number. P of minus 1 is less than 0. N is even number. P of minus 1 is greater than 0. Okay. So in the N is odd number. P of minus 1 is less than 0. Okay. So first in the Z is replaced minus 1. So P of minus 1 is minus 3.5. In the third condition is also satisfied. Next, further go to the fourth condition. What is the fourth condition? Modulus of B2 is greater than modulus of B0. Modulus of B2 is greater than B0. So what is the B2? A3, A0 in the first column is same. B2, B0, B1, ఏదైనా సరే. First column A3, A0. In the first one and the last one. ఏంటి మనకి ఇచ్చింది? A0 is starting, A3 is ending. So A3, A0. Okay, and the reverse. A1, A2 in the B0. And the A2, A0 అలా తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో B2 is A3, A0, A0, A3 and the B0, A3, A0, A2, A1. సో ఫస్ట్ B2 వాల్యూ చేయండి. సో A3 తెలుసు, A0 తెలుసు, A2 తెలుసు, A1 and the B2, A3, A0, A0, A3. So all the values in the given characteristic equation. So in the B2, K is greater than 1.5. Okay, so 2 and 3 equations. The 2 and 3 equation, this is first condition, K is less than 0. And the third condition, B2 greater than B0, 1.5. So whether the range of the K is between 1.5 to 0. Okay, so this is whether the range of K for the given characteristic equation. Next problem. Determine the stability of the following characteristic equations by using Jury stability test. Okay, so